So we had a truly wonderful day, you know, among the hedgerows, picking the blackberries. I've put a cup of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, about 3 tablespoons of oats, but actually I used our muesli because I didn't have any oats. Like, it's uncooked, it's porridge based stuff anyway.
Muesli mixed with porridge, oats, basically, which is what Lenny makes porridge out of.
But basically what you can use is a couple of tablespoons of uncooked oats in this mixture. I put all the blackberries, I haven't pre-cooked them because they'll disintegrate really quickly, so I've just put them plain into a container with some sugar on top, normal sugar, not, oh crap, I nearly forgot, not brown sugar. And then I have to mix in to the flour mixture 3 tablespoons of butter.
Why was that in there?
Because I melted it and I kind of over melted it and I had to unmelt it. Crumble this together. You can also use almonds, crushed almonds in some recipes, and just work that until you can feel that there's no real butter that's not coated by the flour. Crumble it over.
Can we just have a look at the texture and whatnot?
It's just a crumbly texture.
So it's moist looking and it sticks to itself a little bit, but not.
If I could make that into a ball if I wanted to. Fresh from the hedgerows, these blackberries.
Possibly misappropriated. We're on a waymarked trail. I don't know.
I'm sure it's fine, surely. Anyway, we're going to eat them. It's not like we're selling them for profit.
It's within the spirit of the countryside, anyway.
And you just pop that into a moderate oven until that's browned on top. So I probably think about maybe 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Just have a little looky under there.
I'd like more coverage of the crumble.
Oh, stop your whinging. Right.
I don't know. Not sure. Shouldn't it be more together? That's a bit loose.
Well, I think that depends entirely on how you like your crumble. It can be loose or firm, completely loose, you know, completely firm, depending on how you like your crumble. I like mine quite loose. What we really want is to make sure that the fruits have started to soften, and they have. Just enough to start creating a nice little sauciness there. This, I have to say, texture-wise is looking quite good.
So crumble time. Couldn't get ice cream due to the lateness of the hour and the not havingness of any ice cream in this house. So Lenny's got some sort of
cracky
blotted cream.
Now what I'm looking for is crunchy crumble, sweet and soft fruit. The crumble is crunchy but soft, quite melt in the mouth, I think because it's got that flour in it. And the fruit is sweet, but it's not very tart, I have to say. But that mouthful that I just had was actually a bit more tart. And that was what I was saying today about these blackberries. Because they're wild off the bush, everyone tastes different. You got a bit of hat head going on there, by the way.
Bit hiking.
Come on, hiking or strolling? Let's be honest here.
Rambling. It's really good. I like it. The crumble's not as sweet and holdy togethery as I would have liked, but actually it works very well. The crumble's distributed through it rather than being on top. Do you think the berries have a slightly woody-ish taste to them? Perhaps reflecting the time of the season, or...
Look, you can't tell me that it's not prime blackberry season right now.
Well, I don't know.
Well,
I know
what percentage of the blackberries were fat and plump and juicy and ripe on those brambles today?
Yeah.
They're everywhere. This is really quite lovely. And it's actually not really rich. It's quite light.
What are you doing there, Woz?
I'm picking berries. Not quite sure where I am, whether I'm on private property or not. We're on a walking trail in Kent, and might take these home and make a pie or something out of them.
Cool.